Whoa, is this a whistle coming? I think the whistle is coming right now. Kumusta? Mabuhay, magandang araw, and welcome back to MGN Diego. Always Ovela, and I'm gonna repeat myself once again. Okay. Even though I do appreciate your suggestions, and you keeping me updated with the latest, I already told you that I am subscribed to Morissette Amon, okay? I am subscribed to Asia's Phoenix. So every time she releases a video, I am aware. So as soon as she released her latest video of Fly Like a Bird by Mariah Carey, her cover with Kiko Salazar and Adonis Tabanda, I saw it, I knew of it, and I was like, of course I'm gonna react to it. Well, duh, especially since she killed Resignation in her latest video, So of course I was gonna do a cover. But still, thank you so much for keeping me updated. So there you go. I told you exactly what I was going to react to, and I'm pretty sure she's gonna nail it as much as she did Resignation, all right? But before we start, please consider following me on Instagram at Music Game News. All right, cannot wait to see the Phoenix. Let's get it going. Okay, so they're her backup vocalists. I like this. Oh, okay. So one of them is playing the keyboard, the other one is playing the guitar, but they're also singing with her. So they are being her backup vocalists and instrumentalists. Nice. Her band.
There's a place above. Know my heart and struggling, free from all atrocities and suffering.
Woo, woo, woo! It's groovy, man. Like, the song is super groovy. And this is perfect because just yesterday I reacted to Vision of Love by Mariah Carey that I put on Patreon, and it blew my freaking mind. And I mentioned Morissette in that reaction too.
Because I feel unconditional love, one who cares enough for me to raise my baby.
Let's go.
Be free to fly like a bird, take to the sky. I need you now, Lord. Carry me high, tell like the world, break midnight.
When I saw her upload, I read Fly Like a Bird, but I didn't see Mariah Carey, so I thought she was gonna sing the other song, Fly like a bird, na 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 na. The, what's her name? Nelly Furtado. Nelly Furtado's song, the Canadian Nelly Furtado. I think she's half Canadian and half Portuguese, yeah. But then I saw Mariah and I was like, huh? Mariah Carey has a song called Fly Like a Bird? Okay, I'm gonna learn something new today thanks to the Phoenix. Let's do this.
Need the strength of you by my side. Some sense is life can't be so cold. I pray you come and carry me home.
Ooh, yes. Smooth.
How can we recover? Will the world ever be a place of peace and harmony, with no war and with no brutality?
And of course, she's looking beautiful, and I love the fact that her charisma, doesn't only shine on stage, but it shines through videos as well, It's awesome. I like the fact that she has a lot of energy in this cover.
If we loved each other, we would find victory. But in this harsh reality, sometimes I'm so despondent that I feel the need to fly like a bird, take to the sky. I need you now, Lord. Carry me high, tell like the world, break midnight.
I don't know about you, but this format is really working out for me. You know, this black and white format, and the fact that they put like blocks, you know, in the video like that is just working out for me. And the quality of their videos and audio is awesome, man, especially compared to other artists out there and other Filipino artists out there that should have great quality, you know, like Sarah Geronimo, for example, but don't. It's mind-boggling. So I love the fact that they have the necessary equipment to deliver something great. Yeah, girl, let's go. Hey, hey, isn't she the cutest thing ever? Woo! That was beautiful, and I love the reverb that they put there. They increased the reverb. Beautifully, it's beautifully mixed, you know. Oh. Wow. My God, the attitude and the swag that is coming, that's seeping through the video and the audio is crazy. I am so pleasantly surprised by how well this all sounds. Oh, is this a whistle coming? I think the whistle is coming right now. Yo, this is insane. This is insanely good. I mean, her performance is remarkable, but we cannot forget about the guys, yo. They are killing it. I mean, their falsettos here are wonderful, man, and it's so well mixed. That was fire like the phoenix that she is. Bro, as awesome as her cover of Resignation was, this is even better. Yo, I mean they're different, right? They're very different songs, but still, like I could tell that this song was so well mixed and they put so much love into it. And it looked like she was having so much fun, you know, like her personality really seeped through this song and the video, you know, and oh, it was great. And I loved the editing of the video. Yes, it's simple, right? Black and white with the, you know, squares like that in the video with the black background, but still, I loved it. It was really well done. You know, they would like zoom, crop in on her face and then crop back out. It's still very, very well done, yo. Shout out to Kiko and Adonis. Adonis, which means beautiful, right? In Greek. Man, it was amazing. I'm wondering if she sang it exactly like Mariah or not. I have to go listen to Mariah's version. Bro, she gave us so much belting, she gave us whistling, and she hit all the notes. I mean, she was technically perfect. Oh my lord, this was awesome. See, it's awesome, it's great, and I don't know if it was a coincidence, but she opened up her channel right before what is happening right now, right before the confinement, you know? It's something that I've been telling all these Filipino artists to open their YouTube channels, you know? You have to develop your YouTube channels, and now that we are all confined, Morissette fell back on her channel, especially now that ABS-CBN is shut down, you know? At least she has her YouTube channel to allow her to still expose her talents, you know? And that's what she's been doing. And I love also the fact that she is not releasing just anything on her channel, you know? She's releasing well thought through and well thought out products, you know, like well mixed, well finished, you know, everything is coherent. It's a beautiful product in the end, and I love it. I love it. She takes it seriously. Thank you, Morissette Amon. This is why we love you here at MGN. This is why I love you. This is why I've been, you know, following your trajectory, you know. Yeah, and this is why I've been basically promoting your music, right? Your career. There you go. So keep it coming, keep it coming. Now it's your turn. Tell me in the comment section below what are your thoughts on this awesome performance, really. This awesome cover from these three artists. Maraming salamat po. Don't forget to like the video and share it. Stay safe, take care of yourselves, and I will catch you in the next one as usual. Peace. Thank you for watching. Subscribe here and please like the video to show your support and appreciation for my work, and turn on the notification bell to be poked for future content. Yeah.